You can hear a lot about pin bars on the internet, and a lot of people talk about pin bars and excellent strategies, etc., etc. But in this video, I will just show you one simple strategy that you need to know if you want to use a pin bars properly. So the question is, how to trade a pin bars price action strategy. So the first thing, what is the pin bar? The simplest definition is any kind of candlestick that you have on the chart that has a very long wick and small body is the pin bar. But the problem in real trading is it's hard to define what is the real pin bar. So the definition, what kind of percentage between the body and the wick should be that we can say this is the 100% pin bar and this is not the pin bar, it is a little bit difficult. And I want to tell you, this is not important. Why? The most important thing is something else. The important is the pattern. So if you have a bullish candle, then the bearish pin bar, and then the bearish candle, it's a bearish pin bar pattern. And the bullish pin bar pattern is when you have a bearish candle, then you have a bullish pin bar and a bullish candle. However, in real trading, usually what you need to find is the bullish candle and bearish pin bar, and only after that maybe you can enter into trade without waiting for the new bearish candle. Why? Because you don't want so big confirmation, because you will lose your risk reward ratio. And my strategy usually is to wait for a bullish candle, go in the resistance zone, wait 1 hour for example, and if I see that 1 hour I have a bearish pin bar, I'm entering in the trade. I will show that in real trading. Okay, I'm now in MetaTrader platform. I will just set to watch trading, and for example, we can stop here. Okay, it's January 26. I'm watching last 7 days for British pound dollar, and of course here we have a bullish candle, we're in resistance zone, and we have a bearish pin bar. The body is a little bit big, but the wick is very long, and we can call this the pin bar. I know that some people define pin bar different ways. I don't want to go in that kind of talks and everything. I just watching here. We have a longer wick, we have a smaller body. This is the pin bar, and I can enter here. I can enter here and put here the stop loss just above the highest high in the last 1 hour, and to get as good a risk reward ratio as I can. So let me find some other pattern here. We're waiting to find something interesting. Okay, this is interesting. For example, we're right now. It's a afternoon. It's a U.S. It's a moment when U.S. and European time overlap, and this is usually the best moments when you find on the support or resistance. On this example, we are on support, and because we are on support, we are watching to buy. And as you can see here, we have a bullish pin bar, bearish candle. Then we go just into the support zone, we go out the support zone, we have a bullish pin bar, and here at 1.26777 I can enter into trade. As you can see, I can get a decent move up to 50 pips up after that moment, and this is the very interesting trade. So let me find some other interesting moments here. Okay, we have interesting setups. A lot of we're wanting to trade on support and resistance, and strong support and resistance levels. That can be very interesting. Okay, here is January 31, and we are in the resistance zone in the similar price like last time, around 1.275. As you can see here, we are going there. We have a pin bar, and just there we can enter into trade, or we can enter after another bearish candle, because we have a 2 bearish candle. This is the typical bearish pin bar pattern. Bullish candle, bearish pin bar, another bearish candle, and we can enter into trade. And the good thing, we are already in the resistance zone, and we have an excellent pattern. It's a 1.273, and because of that, if we watch right now, we let me just put it a little bit more. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, as you can see here, the distance, this is the entry point, this is the close point. Okay, it's 100 pips. So in this strategy, as you can see on the resistance, if we sell, we can get, for example, in this case study, 100 pips move, and with a 20 pips stop loss, and it's a risk reward 1 to 5. And this is the real stuff. This is the real stuff, and this is why this strategy is good. However, there is a problem. The problem is that a lot of people use special indicators based on the pin bars. Why is that bad? It's bad. I will just show you right now. It's bad because each strategy defines pin bar a different way. Because someone say, okay, it need to be 50% bigger wick than body. Oh, someone, no, it should be 80%. Someone says, oh, to be 100%. And a lot of people define pin bars in different ways, and I will just show, for example, how that looks like. For example, I will find some pin bar. I have a lot of indicators here for testing pin bar. Okay, this is the pin bar. I will just put it on the chart. This is the pin bar, as you can see. Okay, this is the pin bar. And now I will put another pin bar indicator. Okay, look this. Here, all with the arrows is one indicator, with these smileys is another. And you can see everything is 100% different. So one indicator show this and this, other indicator this and this, and this is the very, very crazy. And of course, you will have a lot of pin bars on the chart, but you should watch only the pin bars on support and resistance levels, and the strong support and strong resistance levels if you want to have good successful strategy in trading. And for the end, just to remind you, as I should do, if you want to read any kind of article, you can visit our website Forex NRS, where you can read reviews, strategies, read everything that you see on the YouTube. You have an article about that. And of course, if you want to order and create expert advisor to define your own rules and to using machine learning models and artificial intelligence, there is a team of people who will work on that, and you can order here, define your rules, and I hope that maybe you will find something interesting for you. This is all. I wish you a great day, and bye bye.